So question number 8, a uniform meter rule is pivoted at its midpoint. A weight of 50 gram force is suspended at one end of it. Where should a weight of 100 gram force be suspended to keep the rule horizontal? So uniform meter rule is pivoted at its midpoint. Uniform meter rule is pivoted at its midpoint, and it is said that 50 gram force is suspended from one end. 50 gram force is suspended from one end, and 100 gram force should be suspended from the other end, obviously, because the 50 gram force is suspended from one end. Then the moment due to this weight, the moment which will be generated due to this weight needs to be countered by a moment from this weight, from a weight which is situated somewhere here. So let's say that the 100 gram force weight is suspended at a distance x. The 100 gram force weight is suspended at a distance x from the midpoint. Now the midpoint is obviously the 50 centimeter mark. The midpoint is the 50 centimeter mark. So where should a weight of 100 gram force be suspended to keep the rule horizontal? Now we know that the total clockwise moment should be equal to the total anti-clockwise moment for the rule to be horizontal. Now let's say we have taken, and you will write the statement properly, let's say that x centimeter is the distance. We have placed the 100 gram force weight at x centimeter from the midpoint. At x centimeter from the midpoint on the other side. On the side opposite to the side on which 50 gram force is placed, so that the moment which is generated due to the 50 gram force weight is balanced by the moment which is generated due to this. Now in that case, the total anti-clockwise moment should be equal to the total clockwise moment. I have placed 50 gram force on this end, so it is creating an anti-clockwise moment. 100 gram force is creating a clockwise moment. The moment is equal to the force into the distance. So 50 into, now this distance is how much? 50 centimeter. So 50 gram force into 50 centimeter. 50 gram force into 50 centimeter, that is the total anti-clockwise moment, is equal to 100 gram force into x. 100 gram force into x centimeter, that is the total clockwise moment. Gram force gets cancelled, centimeter gets cancelled. So x is equal to 50 into 50 by 100. So we get 25. So 25 centimeter. So it has to be placed at 25 centimeter distance. 100 gram force has to be placed at 25 centimeter distance from the midpoint on the other side.